In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Studio Ghibli filter not working on ChatGPT. If you're having trouble creating images in the style you're looking for, don't worry. In many cases, the solution is simply to use a more descriptive prompt instead of relying on a specific style name. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful hand-painted fantasy illustration by using detailed artistic descriptions that guide the AI toward the look you want. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the menu on the left side and click More. From the available options, select Images to open the image generation tool. This is where you'll create and refine your artwork. Next, click inside the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. If you've already prepared a detailed prompt, simply paste it into the box. For this example, the prompt describes a dreamy fantasy animation scene capturing a happy little boy wandering through a lush, idyllic countryside. The landscape is filled with cozy cottages, towering trees, a pristine river, and colorful flora, all rendered in soft, textured watercolors with warm, cinematic lighting. And fantasy scenery helps the AI understand the artistic style you're trying to achieve without depending on a specific brand name. Once your prompt is ready, click the up arrow to send it. Now give ChatGPT a few moments to generate the image. During the process, you'll notice several stages as the artwork develops, beginning with an initial concept before gradually adding more detail, colors, and textures until the final image is complete. When the image appears, click on it to view it in a larger preview. Take a close look at the overall composition, colors, and lighting. You should notice a charming hand-painted fantasy style with soft watercolor effects and a nostalgic atmosphere. If you'd like to make the artwork even more detailed, close the preview and return to the conversation. Now click the prompt box again and enter a follow-up prompt asking ChatGPT to refine the existing image. For example, request richer watercolor textures, softer lighting, more detailed backgrounds, and an even more polished hand-painted fantasy illustration. Submit the new prompt and allow ChatGPT to generate the updated version. After the refined image is finished, open it to compare the improvements. You can switch between the previous and updated versions using the image previews to see how the refinements changed the final result. If you want to adjust the composition, click the aspect ratio option near the top of the image controls and choose the framing that best fits your needs. That's all there is to it. By using detailed artistic descriptions and refining your prompts, you can achieve a beautiful fantasy animation style even if a specific style name doesn't produce the result you expected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,